Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm going to get straight into it. Today we're going to be having our 2-minute Wednesday. I'm going to get straight into it. This is going to be a text wraparound of any object that you want. In this example, I'm going to be using a model right here. All right, so firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate the layer by dragging it down. All right, and we have a separate layer right here. You can press M on the keyboard and then you select subject, and then you go ahead and you say select subject. It's going to go through and try to do a replication of cutting out the subject. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like right here. I'm going to say OK. I can remove this extra layer which I don't need right now. And then what I'll do is I'll click here and say apply layer mask. And once that's done, it's going to cut the layer out. For this example, I don't need to make it very neat. And the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to press T on my keyboard and then press for the text, and I'm going to type in the word sexy. I'm going to pull it down over here, just like so. And what I need to try and do is I am going to go ahead and drag it below the model here and then position it to where I want it. All right. I can either increase the size of it a little bit more, just like so. Drag it a little bit more to the center, just like that. And then what I'll do is I will duplicate by pressing Command J on the keyboard and drag it above the model. And I'm going to use the fill layer, carry to 0, so you don't see it anymore. And I'm going to double click on the layer itself. And I'm going to click on what is called stroke. And you can select your size. Let's say I use a 6. And I'm going to say OK. And what I'll do now is I will select both layers of the word sexy. And then put the link right here. And now we can use the move tool and we can definitely move around the model right here. So just as simple as that, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy that video. And if you did enjoy the video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. Hope you guys have a great day, great night, wherever you guys, and stay safe. Peace.